In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Shopify navigation tab not showing in your online store. Let's start from the very beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in "How to fix Shopify navigation tab not showing in online store" and press enter. This search phrase is specific enough that it will bring up the most relevant guides and troubleshooting resources for this exact issue, instead of giving you general Shopify tips. Once the results page loads, you'll see a range of links, help articles, community forum posts, and other guides. What we're interested in here is the AI overview section, which usually appears near the top of the results. This is Google's summarized answer area that pulls together key information from multiple sources to give you a quick, clear explanation. Look for the AI overview box on the page. It may be labeled as AI overview or shown as a highlighted section with a short summarized answer. When you see it, click on it to expand the full overview. This will show you a more detailed breakdown of the possible reasons your Shopify navigation tab is not appearing, along with suggested fixes. Take a moment to read through that summary slowly. You'll often see common causes listed, like your navigation menu not being assigned to your theme, visibility settings being turned off, or your theme needing to be customized to include the menu. The AI overview may also link directly to Shopify documentation or step-by-step guides that you can open in new tabs. As you go through the overview, keep your own store setup in mind. For example, if the summary mentions checking your online store and navigation settings, you can pause the video, switch to your Shopify admin, and verify each suggestion one by one. This way, you're using the AI overview as a quick reference while actively applying the fixes in your own store. If the first AI overview doesn't fully match your situation, you can scroll a bit further down and open a couple of the top links that the overview is drawing from. These often provide screenshots and more in-depth explanations. By using the targeted Google search and then clicking on the AI overview, you get a fast, curated starting point to diagnose and resolve why your Shopify navigation tab isn't showing, without having to dig through dozens of separate articles on your own.